While I would practice flying my drone, I'm supposed to be able to get this thing to follow me. Let's see if we can have any luck. Seems like I learn something new every time I practice with this thing. Getting pretty good if I say so myself. Hey, I think this thing may be going to work. I think I better raise it up above the trees. It's a little shaky, but this thing has possibilities. So far, so good. This should come in real handy on our trip, so I can get some really good shots with it. And besides that, it's a lot of fun. I just love experimenting with this new technology. But you know what? I'm going to call that a success. Come to pop, catch it right in my hand. Hope y'all enjoyed coming on a little practice session with me. Catch you next time.